Okay, so what I have here is a 256 O gauge passenger set with the engine. Probably about 6 months ago, I picked up these cars. So they were all in original shape, and they are kind of beat up. I've had them in my box of stuff to restore. And then I came across a 256 engine that somebody restored, and it's a good job. It's a wrong color orange. But so I was excited to get this engine and then restore the passenger cars to match it. So here's the dilemma. Do I do the restoration, or do I keep the character and redo this restoration on the engine to make it match the cars that haven't been restored? I don't know what I want to do with this. It's a very neat little engine set. The size difference compared to the regular O is different, but it's a nice little running set. Just that never-ending debate. Do you restore something and make it cosmetically, or do you keep the character of the old ones? If you have any input for me in this, I'm listening. Not many of these sets around anyway, so I don't know. I don't know what I want to do. So I'm going to look forward to your comments on what you think should be done with these. There's not much money invested. I actually believe the engine was less than $200, and the 3 passenger cars, I don't even think I paid. I think I paid $60 for them. They were a nice find, and I never really even looked at them till now. And you know, they need to be rewired and the light bulbs redone and put the window films in. But I don't know what to do with these. So, again, comment, let me know what you think. Have a good night.